Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change your Bitget email. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up the Bitget Exchange app. And once you're in here, just go to the top left, tap on your profile or the profile icon. Now go ahead and tap on your account right here. Okay, just tap on this right arrow key. And then once you're in here, what you're going to do is just go ahead over to these tabs. Okay, now click or tap on security. And then once that's done, here we have email. Okay, so what you're going to do is just tap on the email. And then you could go ahead and tap on bind another email. Okay, tap on it, enter the new email right here. And by the way, to ensure the security of your assets, withdrawals and P2P sales are disabled for 24 hours after modifying your email address. Okay, do keep that in mind. So enter your new email address. And then once done, go ahead and tap on get code, and the code will be sent to the email that you just entered in here. And then what you got to do next is just enter the verification code. And then after that, just tap on submit and you'd be good to go. That is it. That's how simple it is to change your Bitget email. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.